Hey guys, Better Mindset here. In this video we're going to talk about the halo effect, and at the end of the video I will be giving you 5 tips on how to leave the best first impression. Physical appearance is often a major part of the halo effect. People who are considered attractive tend to be rated higher on other positive traits as well. People who are sociable or kind, for example, may also be seen as more likable and intelligent. The halo effect makes it so that perception of one quality leads to judgments of other qualities. For example, think about your personal attractiveness and height. If there were two people doing the same task, you'd guess that the one who was more attractive is better at his job than the less attractive one, regardless of evidence. Of course, you wouldn't be doing that consciously. It's more subconscious than anything. Let's look at another example. You are at work and your boss asks your opinion about whether your coworker Mike would be a good team leader for an upcoming project. You don't know Mike well, but you consider Mike a strong and attractive person, so you automatically say yes. This is because your positive thoughts about Mike's looks influence how you think of him in other positive terms. These include leadership and intelligence. You subconsciously form these opinions despite the fact that you really don't know if Mike would be actually a good team leader at all. In an ideal world, we'd be able to get along with everyone, or we'd had enough time to sit down and really understand them. But that's not how life works. First impressions are often all we got. A lot of people are struggling with finding a job nowadays. How important do you think it is for them to leave a good first impression when job hunting? If you were a hiring manager and you had to choose between two similar candidates, you choose the one who left the best first impression, keeping in mind that the effect causes people to make assumptions based on just a few things they know to be true. So why is the halo effect important? Now that you are aware of the halo effect, you can start using it to your advantage. Knowing how to make a good first impression is vital. Impressions are everything, and they might just be the difference between being approachable enough to make a great friend or making sure you are alone forever. Here are my 5 tips to make the best first impression. Number 1 is to manage your reputation. In the real world, it pays to have a decent reputation. That's why it's so much easier to get what you want when you have a connection. Your contact puts in a great world for you, and suddenly you have already established a reputation. So whoever was told you are a great person, they will begin to suppose you are what they are looking for. Number 2 is always keep yourself well groomed. I will have to be straightforward and say that the majority of the population will trust people who look well groomed. This means clean haircut, good hygiene and clothes that fit well. I'm not saying you should wear a suit everywhere you go, but instead start making sure that everything you wear is well maintained. Look good at all times and others will fill the blanks in their heads for you. Number 3 is start hanging around with people of high value. Seeing someone who hangs around people of influence makes you expect a few things, doesn't it? This person is hanging with a lot of girls. Oh, he must be a player. She's with the athletic crowd. Oh, she must be into sports too. They go to parties every weekend. They must drink too. If you want to have people think highly of you, start surrounding yourself with people who matter. Not to say you should start forcing yourself into other social circles, but choose your friends carefully. Others will be inclined to think you are of high value too when you are able to show social proof. Number 4 is show passion in the things you do and say. People are attractive to those who are passionate. I'm not talking about dream jobs and waking up every morning with excitement. I'm talking about having enthusiasm and clear interest in anything. When you are talking to someone, it's much better to be passionate than to be monotone. Someone who seems excited makes you conclude that they are good at whatever they are talking about. Why else would they be passionate? Number 5. Confidence is the key. Confidence in believing in yourself, feeling comfortable in your true self, knowing you have self-worth. If you are confident, people believe you. Confidence is attractive, brings success, helps to connect well with others, and you generally feel happier. Who do you think leave the best first impression? People who are confident. Confidence gives you the credibility and people will make assumptions about you. People will give you the benefit of thinking that you are competent, even if you are not. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Every video we watch, every like, every comment helps the channel to reach more people, so in the end we can help one more person to achieve a better mindset. With that said, I can't thank you enough, and until next time.